Hello everyone, my name is Jitu Vishwakarma and I am from Dana Sadhana College from TY BMS. और हम आज एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हैं व्हाट इज इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग.
My name is Jay Tripathi. I am from Dana Sadhana College, TYBMS.
Hello everyone, myself Bhavesh Doke from TYBMS Marketing.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishad Kallak and I am from TYBMS.
Hello everyone, myself Viraj Vijay Kumar Koi from TYBMS Marketing.
What is influencer marketing? At the most basic, influencer marketing is taking the idea of the celebrity endorsement and placing into a modern day content marketing campaign. मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसर जो सेलिब्रिटी से अपने कंटेंट को प्रमोट करना, जिस तरह लोगों को उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पता चले और उसकी तरफ हो जाए. What work influencer marketing? Carefully consider your approach in influencer marketing. मतलब आप जो कहेंगे अपने ऑडियंस से उसे अच्छे से समझने, आप उस पर ध्यान दें. डेवलप अ शेड्यूल. मतलब आप जब कोई ब्रांड को इंडोर्स करते हैं या उसके मतलब कहीं भी पोस्ट करते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको एक टाइम शेड्यूल करना पड़ेगा, जिससे आपकी ऑडियंस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उस टाइम जितना से जल्दी उस पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट को देखकर शेयर कर सके. कंज्यूमर वांट वैल्यू. 64% इन्फ्लुएंसर कहते हैं कि वो जो प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स करते हैं उन्हें उनके वैल्यू फॉर मनी मिलती है. यू शुड यूज़ वाई यू शुड यूज़ इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग. ये एक विज्ञापन से कहीं ज़्यादा सही है. यह मार्केट में सस्ते में मिलता है. इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग बहुत ही आसानी और कम रेट में मिल जाता है. यह ट्रस्ट बहुत जल्दी जगाता है. यह इन्फ्लुएंसर जो है आपको ट्रस्ट जल्दी दिलाते हैं. हमें ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाता है. इन्फ्लुएंसर हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाता है, लाइक मिलियन फॉलोअर्स में. इट्स वे टू क्रिएट यू कैन इलेक्टिव विन. 5 स्टेप्स एक्शन प्लान. डिफाइन. इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग शुरू होता है हमें कौन से पब्लिक चुननी है, किस पर इसका असर होगा. मतलब हमें अपने पब्लिक चुननी है कि कौन से हमें पब्लिक चाहिए, ऑडियंस चाहिए, कौन से एज ग्रुप में हमें जाना है. डिस्कवर. और इसके लिए आपको ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढना होगा जो आपको प्रोड्यूस करे, आपके पोस्ट को शेयर करे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ाए. मॉनिटर. अपने इन्फ्लुएंसर को सुने, उनमें से सवाल करें कि वो क्या कंटेंट पोस्ट करेंगे और उनकी ऑडियंस उसे क्या क्या सवाल करेगी. टेक एक्शन. एक रिलेशनशिप तैयार करना है उनसे जिससे वो आपका कंटेंट शेयर करे और आपके लिंक पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्लियर करे. मेजर. जब एक सही रिलेशन तैयार हो तब एक स्टेप आगे जाकर उन्हें एक इवेंट में बुलाएं जहां पर आप और आपके ऑडियंस दोनों साथ मिलकर आगे के बारे में आगे की ऑडियंस को तैयार करें.
Thank you, Jitu. Hello friends, my name is Jay Tripathi. I will continue from where the Jitu has stopped. My topic are case study on the influence marketing and social media marketing. I am starting with the influence marketing case study. Influence marketing can be the further explained with the help of the live example going on the television by Myntra, hosted by the Kiera Advani, Flipkart by the Ranveer and Alia, and also the various other platforms like Amazon, etc. There are various companies from top brands, influence and the many more. Some of the examples are Instagram food influence, Coop of content for TikTok, travel influence, explore the 7 urban wonder with the Hilton Hotel and many more. Moving on to the next slide. PewDiePie. PewDiePie is the most widely recognized digital influence among the young American. He is the grammar and the comedian with 102 million followers. He is also known as the world key influence. PewDiePie is the more than the YouTuber sensation. Moving on to the next slide. Social media marketing. Social media is all on the idea generated, trend, mapping and strategic compass for all over the world. Online business and venture. A great quotes given by the Paul Bearer. Moving on to the next slide. Blogs. Blogs is a platform where a person can get an idea, strategy and many more for his invention, and some of the example of social media blogs are the further boost and the social media today, etc. And the various example are given on the slide like Gawker, TMZ, etc. Moving on to the next slide. There are 2 categories of blogs.
Blog strategy. Build database. Communicate for new product and policies and public and address public issues. Monitor. Track what stakeholders are saying. Advertise and sell. For example, search ads, display ads, paid posts, rich media, etc. Then corporate blog types. First, CEO blog. To build an authenticate channel, communicate to all stakeholders, example customers and employees. It gives business a personal and public face. Second, execute blog. This is on rise among startups. The difference between execute blog and business blog is majorly the authorship. Third, group blog. A group blog or collaborative blog is a website with articles written on specific topics. Select group of employees contribute and high level of internal coordination. Company blog platform means corporate blog is a practice of creating content that addresses industry updates, experts tips or best practice, and company news for brand. Next, how to create blog. Blog should be created by name, software, design, taste, and functionality.
Personal or small business, create and maintain own blog, engage in other blogs, reference to other back to your blog. Corporate, create and maintain corporate blog, make a decision on corporate blog content, engaging in other blogs. Technology, blog. First is a blog software. It is used to manage and publish content on internet. For example, Typepad, bloggers.com, etc. Next is blog search engine. It only index and provides search results from blogs, such as example IceRocket, Google Blogs, blog search engine. Marketing. It is act of sending a commercial messages, especially to group of people using email. Email marketing, highly targeted, dynamic and personalized content, embedded, short lead lines, test and refine. Effectiveness of a campaign, greater insight into customer behavior, reach, unlimited distribution of globally, insufficient scalable, cost effective, fast action, flexible, focused campaign, equal maximum return on investment.
What make your campaign successful? First, planning. Solid marketing campaign plan has a clear realistic goal which you can be confident of hitting. The best strategy to achieve these goals against your competitions. Sufficient details of a tactic and action needed to translate the strategies into actions. Second, target audience. It is the intended audience or readership of a publication, advertisement or other message specifically to set the intended audience. The marketing and advertisement, it is a particular group of consumer within the predetermined target market. Objectives. It is the first component of campaign strategies. Objectives and target and foundations for keeping track of your campaign program. When planning your campaign, first define your objectives. They are what keeping the campaign grounded. Your promotion message reach your intended to target audience. Your audience should understand the message. The message stimulates the recipients and they take the actions. The question is how to achieve this outcome with your campaign. The process is natural but it takes planning time. Targeting means to identify communication you make with your customer in a batch fashion. Ask what your event could trigger this communication to make the timely. Prepare a distracting message of each consumer situation. Increase evaluation by adding a call to action to each message. Prepare a message of each possible responsible to your preview message.